miscellaneous point I wanted to deal with it emerged really from an exchange between my learned friend and Justice Hayton yesterday, which turns on the purpose and effect of Section 144 as added by the Eighth Amendment. And I would respectfully ask Your Honours, despite Your Honours' now familiarity with that section, just to go back to it for a moment. The exchange was in the context of how Mr. Barrow deals with the final part of that subsection. How can one say that that is anything other than a direction to the court? Now, my learned friend Mr. Courtney dealt with that again this morning, and I very respectfully adopt his argument that the reference to Section 20 means it has to be a reference to the court. Section 20 of the Constitution is the very provision which the court would operate to grant constitutional relief. So this is saying, in terms, even if the court tries to give constitutional relief because of a breach of fundamental rights, you shall not give effect to it. That's a very strong legislative direction, a very inappropriate breach of the separation of powers. And it gives the lie to any suggestion that this is just to do with a pledge or something of that sort. But my learned friend Mr. Barrow went on to say something else which was very revealing. He said, the purpose of this legislation is to stop a reversal of this decision. It's so as to make sure, he told Your Honours, that if any subsequent Parliament, this Parliament or another government, wanted to give this property back to the original owners, they would have to do it through a constitutional amendment. That's a surprising, perhaps, revelation. It's quite a shocking revelation, because it indicates the depth of antipathy, animosity, the size and speed, the number of tons of explosives in Mr.
Your Honours, I did not see that.
That's what I'm
objecting to that as an untrue statement.
Your Honours will be able to judge. That's what I understood he was saying.